sure that he holds on to the football. Great view of it right here. Ever touch the
Looks
surface?
like he's peeing in the hat there.
There, but the official right on top.
Oh, look at that.
Great reversing.
That one, they cut his head off.
And they will take a look at that. You couldn't ask
Oh,
for a
wow.
better view of a touchdown on a reverse angle right here.
Happy New Year, baby.
And of course from behind, Leonard is knocked free. Here's your reverse angle.
Oh, this is of his racking horse. Did you see that racking horse at all?
Watching, look at the headlines.
Oh, wow.
Watching every step of the way. Arms still not up in the air, signaling touchdown. Then it was knocked out on the roll.
Yeah, by the time the play was over, from Marty not giving up on it, eventually knocks it away
Everything's going to be
from 2-8.
Oh,
To overturn this is when it looks like potentially may have touched the surface.
Oh my
it's
gosh.
when both of their bodies are laying.
Everett's going to be a big brother. Francie.
Oh boy, are you guys
It's not my fault, it's his fault.
Are you guys gonna have fun?
No.
Yeah.
When it took an eternity, too.
Oh my God.
Oh, are they gonna be close?
August 26th. You guys. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What are we gonna do?
You know what Irish twins are? We missed it. August, you're going to have a baby in August. The end of August. Oh my God.
56 seconds.
I can't stand it. I can't stand it.
Some perimeter running game.
Oh,
Play action. Let's go
you guys almost killed me with him. Now you're doing it again.
We don't have any weddings or anything in August.
Oh my God. You're going to be a big brother. Oh, oh my God.
What a first half.
You guys.